Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to adjust ringer and alerts volume on iPhone. Tap on Settings. Scroll down. Tap on Sounds and Haptics. Under ringer and alert section, move the slider button to adjust the volume. Toggle the button next to Change with Buttons to turn it on. Now you can adjust ringer and alerts volume using the volume buttons on the left. This is how you can adjust ringer and alerts volume on iPhone. Thank you for watching.